Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2016 Vauxhall Corsa. Now of course you get your LED daytime running lights, halogen headlights, and then coming round to the side you do get these brilliant gloss black alloy wheels. Of course I will go into each and every one of these 17-inch alloy wheels just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get. Coming round to the rear now, you'll notice it is on a 66 reg. Then coming into the rear now, you can see we have plenty of room in here, including your single folding rear bench. Then coming back out and around again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. Now of course we do have, with it being the 3-door, you do have your 3 seats across the rear bench just here in the cloth black. We've then got Isofix mounting points at the bottom. Coming into the front, we've then got your 5-speed manual gearbox, got your air conditioning controls, and then we also have your touchscreen display in the middle, which does come with Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth audio, AM, FM and DAB. You've also got your city drive mode just there, which will lighten the steering just to make it a little bit easier in tighter situations. We've then got your cruise control settings on the left, Bluetooth hands-free, volume, source, everything on the right hand side. Your onboard computer controls are on the indicator stalk, and then of course as you can see this car has done 77,154 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Vauxhall Corsa, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.